Hi everybody and welcome back to Side Art Shop channel. Okay guys, it's the big reveal. I've finished all the shading on the giant cookie, and without further ado I'd like to show you all the finished result. Ready for this? Da, 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 da. There you go guys, what do you think of that? Let me put it up close so you can see it. So I've done all the shading, I've done black around the sides, and I've done the black around this bit, you know, the jellies, sugary jellies, and then I've used the brown, like I said before, to do all the different shading parts. So doesn't it look good, guys? Are you pleased with it? I know I am. So the only thing left to do is put a hook on. Now all I do is get a hook and I just stick it on with a glue gun, and sometimes I will use a little screw as well, but it's very easy just to stick it on, so I'm not going to show you that part. I would just put it round about there, and then you can hang it up, so it doesn't take long. And like I say, it's very, very light, so it's just brilliant. It's just one of those fantastic gifts you can give away and or keep. You might be one of those people who want to keep it. You've done all the work, so you say, I'm going to keep this and I'm going to put it on my wall and admire it every day. So yes, so that's the tale of that. So without further ado, it's only a quick video, this one, because I just wanted to show it to you. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.